Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by detangling and assessing texture so the clip holds. Slightly unwashed hair grips better. Once done, make a horizontal part from ear to ear and gather the top section. Secure it temporarily with a small elastic or pin. While you hold the bottom hair at the nape, choose a claw clip sized for medium thickness. Too small will slip, too large will feel heavy. These preparatory steps set tension and balance, which makes the next folding motion smooth and reliable. Now you move to folding and anchoring. Gather the lower hair at the nape and begin a firm twist, turning it upward toward the crown. Twisting concentrates length and prevents splay. As you twist, tuck the loose ends under the coil to minimize bulk and create a flat base. Then position the claw clip so its teeth catch both twisted hair and a small bit of scalp hair at the junction. This anchors the updo. Make sure the clip sits perpendicular to the twist for balanced hold. To finish, test the hold by gently shaking your head. Feel for movement and pinpoint loose strands. If you find tension is low, remove the clip, retwist tighter, and re-anchor. Tighter twist increases friction and grip. Use a couple of bobby pins at stress points and smooth visible flyaways with a light mist of flexible hold spray to maintain natural movement without stiffness. If slipping persists, try a slightly larger or smaller clip. Sometimes a different.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.